In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram with your Facebook shop, tag your products, and publish them effectively, creating a seamless shopping experience for your followers. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have an integrated platform where customers can easily discover and buy your products directly from your posts. First, let's ensure that you have both a Facebook shop and an Instagram business account. These accounts are essential as they enable you to tag products directly in your Instagram posts, making it easy for potential customers to shop with just a few taps. If you don't yet have these set up, you'll want to go through Facebook and Instagram's respective processes to get them established. Now, assuming you have those accounts ready, the first step is to open your Facebook Business Manager. This tool is where you'll be able to manage connections and integrate your shop with Instagram. Once inside the Business Manager, head over to the Commerce Manager section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you should see your shop details, and from here, you can manage your products and set up the integration with Instagram. In Commerce Manager, look for Sales Channels. You'll find the Instagram option there. Click on it, and you'll be guided through a setup wizard. This will prompt you to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook shop. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, authorizing the connection. Make sure your Instagram account is fully synced by entering the necessary credentials when prompted. Remember, transparency is key, so ensure all your business information is correctly displayed across platforms. With both accounts now linked, let's talk about tagging products in your Instagram posts. Open the Instagram app on your phone and create a post just like you usually would. When you reach the caption page, look for the option to tag products, which is available under the Tag People icon. Tapping Tag Products allows you to select the items from your Facebook shop to feature in your image. This will make the products immediately shoppable within Instagram, providing a direct link for users to purchase. Finally, after tagging your products, proofread your post to ensure everything looks good. Double check your tags and captions. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and hit share. Your post will now be live, showcasing those beautiful products and inviting your audience to engage and shop directly through Instagram. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Instagram with your Facebook shop, tagged your products, and published your post to your audience. This setup not only enhances the shopping experience for your customers, but also provides you with a streamlined way to boost your sales. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy selling!